Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Let's try to understand type of scheduler. We have three basic type of schedulers to go with. Each one is having its own algorithms, own processes to decide how scheduling can be done. These three schedulers would come within the process state diagram. As we already have done process state, we all know that a process starts with a new stage, shifts to ready state, goes to running. If process gets over in that pass, it gets terminated. Otherwise, it will come in a cycle of waiting, and then this cycle will restart. In some cases, when the process is waiting for some kind of IO operation, some kind of resource, some kind of things, it will enter into suspend state. When job is done, it would be ready suspended, finally coming back to ready, and then again the loop continues. But in this, there are three type of schedulers which will take care of the entire process. The first and the longest running is called as the long-term scheduler. Long-term scheduler can be seen as a job scheduling algorithm. What do you mean by job scheduling algorithm? Simple. The job would be to take care right from the process entering to the time process terminates. So they are known as the long term as they have the longest life. They are also responsible for several other things like handling resources or balancing resource utilization, and generally not used in a time sharing system. The second type of scheduler is mid-term or medium scheduler. The medium term scheduler is basically responsible for swapping data. Why? Because when your process goes in a wait state, there is nothing, or rather resources are nothing gonna be used for. As an end result, this would be swapped back to the hard disk, and later on when the process is ready, again it would be entering ready queue. This job is very well done by the midterm scheduling system or midterm scheduler. So basically it is used for swapping processes from the secondary storage to a primary, or from a primary back to the secondary. Another type of scheduler is a short-term scheduler. Another type of scheduler is a short-term scheduler. Short-term scheduler is basically known as a CPU scheduler. For the obvious reason, its major job is to selecting a process from the ready queue and submitting into running queue. It is the shortest life cycle, or rather it has a smallest life cycle, and it is mainly responsible for shifting process from ready to running. Maximum amount of algorithms are available for short-term scheduling. Now, if we just study all three type of scheduler with their role, easiest way to understand is long-term scheduler. Now, if we try to understand all three schedulers at the same time, long-term scheduler would be made responsible for job. So they are called as a job scheduler. By saying job, we do mean the time a process or a program starts till the time it gets over. It is entirely responsibility of a job scheduler. Hence, this is also termed as the long-term scheduler. The shortest, known as the CPU scheduler. That is when your process is already in ready queue and just needs to be run. That is the time this scheduler comes into picture. Responsibility is only transferring data from a ready to running. Maximum algorithms are available also in this section. Then in between the long term and the short term, there is a mid-term. The logic behind the mid-term scheduling is disk swapping or process swapping. Why? Because as you can carefully see, they deal with the phenomena of waiting suspended, ready suspended. During these stages, most of the resources are to be given off. Under that case, the process which is in RAM would be shifted back to the secondary storage, or in paging would be shifted back to a primary memory storage. Later on, when you are capable of running that process, would be shifted back to the memory. Till the time it is moved from the main memory to the secondary, all resources are to be left. This process is called swapping. Hence, the basic job of mid-term or medium-term scheduling is swapping. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.